In this how-to video, I will demonstrate how to create a variable data archive template with HP SmartStream Director. An archive template is a variable data template with a database connected. This is ideal for ordering or reordering products with variable information. It gives the print buyer the option to select specific records from a database. To begin building a template, a print buyer logs into their SmartStream Director web portal with their unique password and accesses the template editor via the Manage Templates menu. Select Create a new template. This brings you to the job type library where we select the appropriate job type. Once you have your job type selected, you are redirected to the wizard that will take you through all the different steps of template creation. Within General Properties, you can fill in specific information about this template. Let's enter a name for our new template, and then select Save and Continue. In the Content tab, click on the Browse button to locate the file that you want to upload to the SmartStream Director server. Browse to the file location and select. The template we create in this example will include one business card design with variable fields. The information for the variable fields will be contained in the database we attach. The upload time is dependent on the file content and size. Select Save and Continue. In the Intent tab, the job properties or production specifications are inherited from the job type, but here you can further define them for your template. Select Save and Continue. Within the Variable Information tab, the first drop-down menu allows you to choose what type of template you are creating. Select Archive. This allows access to several tools: Selective Upload, iForm Editor, and Manage Archive. You will also see the Add Records option becomes available. We start by choosing Selective Upload. The Selective Upload utility will allow you to select elements in your artwork, either text or images, and assign field names. Let's define the variable fields in the business card. First, identify the fields as variable text or image. Select the appropriate text, and in the floating palette on the left, give each field a logical name to identify how it will be populated from the database. In this example, we will only identify two variable text fields. Because we selected fields with text, we will get a font report. And then we are redirected to the iForm Editor tool. With this tool, we will define the input rules and behavior, alignment and boundaries, and the font properties of the text fields we defined. With iForm Editor, there are many controls to create rules on how these variable fields will react and how the print buyer can interact with the fields. iForm Editor creates a low-res PDF preview to illustrate the active variable field and the changes we are making. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the field names that we previously defined using Selective Upload. On the right-hand side of the screen are the menu choices for defining the behavior for the different variable text fields. We define the field type for the title field by selecting User Login Driven from the drop-down menu. This means the field takes its value from the user login information we select in this second drop-down menu. There are numerous properties we can define here for the variable fields, such as text alignment, restricting the field format to upper or lower case, sizing longer names or titles to fit within a specific text box dimension, or indicating how blank fields will be handled. Now that we have defined the behavior of the variable fields, we will use the Manage Archive tool to upload a data list to our business card template and assign it to the fields. Select the Manage Archive button. The preview indicates our variable text fields. Select Import Database. Browse to your database file, select your file, and click Next. After the system uploads the CSV file, it displays the variable information fields defined in the template and a list containing the names of the data fields of the CSV file. Link each template's variable field to the corresponding CSV data field. Indicate that the first row contains field names by checking the box and click Next to continue. In the preview, we confirm the information in the database is linked correctly to the variable text fields in the business card by scrolling through the records. The database can be managed within the template editor by either the print service provider or the print buyer with the appropriate access privileges. A record can be modified, deleted, or added as necessary. Our new archive template is complete and ready for orders to be placed. SmartStream Director is more than web to print. It empowers your print buyer with easy-to-use production tools.